Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are first time here, I am a software engineering student studying in Toronto. And today's video, I want to talk about some interest comparison between Podmic from Rode and the Blue Yeti. Stay in this video and I will tell you my final choice. What is the reason you're buying a microphone? What you want to do with this microphone? Zoom meetings? Recording podcasts? Better sound quality for videos? Or you're playing video games on Twitch, live streaming? For me, I'm using this for the podcast and voiceover for video. It is very important to figure it out before buying anything. Trust me, I've wasted a lot of money due to this reason. Let's talk about the Blue Yeti first. Blue Yeti is one of the most popular USB microphones in the world. That's why you can get a lot of tutorials, how to setting up on the YouTube, telling you how to use it and different mode. And also, Blue Yeti is easy to use because it is a USB microphone, so you can just plug it in to the computer and start your recording. Also, Blue Yeti comes with everything you need to use: microphone stand and the USB cable, and there are totally 4 different patterns for recording. It can record directly from the front of the microphone, and stereo record widely compared to just directly from the microphone, and normally it is used for recording acoustic guitar or ASMR videos. Also, the omnidirectional is feel like recording all around the mic, 360 degree like a conference, something like that. And also the bidirectional. Bidirectional is recording both from the front and rear, suitable for 2-person interviews. And also the price. The price of the Blue Yeti is amazing. It's just $130 US. And the second one is Rode Podmic. It is an XLR type dynamic microphone optimized for podcasting. That's why the name is Podmic. And because this is an XLR microphone, so you will need an audio interface connect with the computer, and other than audio interface, you will need to buy the XLR cable and microphone stand for the Podmic. The polar pattern of this mic are only the pattern which is directly in front of the microphone. And the price is $99 US. It's cheaper than Blue Yeti, but you will need to buy a stand and cable, so it will be totally around $160 to $200. Okay, let's start the test now. This is Blue Yeti from 10 centimeters away from the microphone. Test 1, 2, 3. This is Blue Yeti from 20 centimeters away from the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Blue Yeti from 40 centimeters away from the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Rode Podmic from 10 centimeters away from the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. This is Rode Podmic from 20 centimeters away from the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, after the test, which one you love? The Podmic or the Yeti? Compare the price and how user-friendly they are. Seems there are no advantage on Podmic, right? But anyway, my final choice is Rode Podmic. Let me tell you why. Rode Podmic are providing better sound quality for myself. And the most important reason why I choose Podmic is it is a XLR microphone. So if I need to record something, like 4-person interview of podcasts. XLR microphone is compatible with Rodecaster Pro. So if you are only want to buy a microphone for Zoom meeting, voiceover, etc., I strongly recommend you go with the Blue Yeti, still providing great quality and save some money. That's it. If you like my video and think it is helpful, please press the subscribe button and the like button. If you have any questions or ideas, leave your comments below. See you next time.